Okay, random function is generally is under random module. The module name and the function name is the same, and it is used to generate the random numbers between a range. So if we want any number or any random number generated in our program with this function, we can do it very easily. So before that we have to import random module over there. So statement we have to write down like as import random. Now the function we are using here as showing in the table, random dot random first is a module name and then dot operator we are just doing here, then the function name is random only. So here if we don't pass here any argument, so it will take by default range of 0.0 to 1.0. so the number is generated in the program that is between the 0 and 1.0. This number are to be generated again and again. How many times we are executing the program, it would generate the different kinds different random numbers, but within the range of 0 to 1.0. These floating point numbers it would be generated here. Now the next function of the random module is that is rand int. How can we do it? Random dot rand int we are taking here. Now x and y, two arguments we are passing here. X must be less than equal to y because x would be starting range and y would be ending range. So starting ranges must be less than equal to y. So how can we do it? Let's see the example. Random dot rand int function we are taking here, and 3 to 7 we are taking the range over there. So number is generated between 3 and 7. Now the next example, random dot rand int we are taking -3 to 5. So -3 to 5 is the range. So number would be generated between -3 to 5 randomly. It's not any logical concept here, so that the number would be generated after an interval. It can be generated randomly, but within the specific range we are just providing here. Now the next one is random dot rand range over there. Random dot rand range is the function which is used to pass here range. By default it will take starting value as 0, so 0 to range what we have to specify over there. Let's see. For example, we are taking here random dot rand range 5 we are passing as a range over there, so it would be generated 0 to 5 over there, so it would be generated as 4 as an output. Now the next one is random dot rand range xy. Again if we pass like as, here is starting value as x we are giving here, so the example is showing like as random dot range 2 to 7, so it would be from 2 to 7 it would generate any random number from 2 to 7. Difference is there, if we pass here only the y value, so it would take starting value 0 by default. If we pass here x and y, so it will take here x value starting range and y value is the ending range over there. Now the next is module name statics, which we'll discuss in our next video.